For this recipe, we need frozen chunks of pineapple, a cup of yogurt and coconut milk, and a tablespoon of honey. You add this to your blending jar and you begin to blend. Honestly, this was one of the best recipes I've ever tried. I've had so many recipes of smoothies and I've tried so many types of smoothies, but this particular one is out of this world. It's nice. It's beyond nice. It will take you to places you never thought you would go. Just ask my husband. It's very creamy and very tasty and everything good. Everything good. Okay. Look how creamy that looks now. It's very yum, very yum. Okay, you can have it for the weekend, for the evenings, for your hot summers, for occasions, whatever. Just let me know if you try this recipe. Let me know what you think, how it tastes. Just tell me, share with me your experience because this thing took me to another world. You showed me a different dimension of life, okay? Okay. Ah, in fact, let me just leave you. Let me just go.